a T. There are two T's in here. And C in here. That's a C.
It's a backward C.
It's not a backward C. That's a C. That's J and U, a baby U. Oh, that's the A.
That is an A.
That's an A too.
That is an A.
This is going to be a big T. That's a big T. Daddy, come look at my big T. I draw my letters. I draw a big T.
Yeah.
And the line is right there.
Okay, the line for T.